everybody. My name is Cyan Blue Pikachu, Gamer Pro 1 here. And today, you know my like key, so of Cyan Blue Pikachu Gamer Pro 1 show. If you want it, subscribe. Oh, let's talk about legendaries controllers. As you can see, got my blue controller, these buttons on, and I'm gonna show you how to make it work. So let's get started. This cool controller, and then if you see this, just use this controller. If you want to do like this, that will make this work. But if you want to do this, you can easily invite a friend. If you press A, it'll start the match. If you press B, so if you press B, that will make it the stop. If you want to get off, press the X and press A, the home. There you go. If you want to go play, just use this. It'll make you, or you can do this, not that. You can go down or up. That will make the controller work, guys. My Xbox has one X. As you can see, this TV is about to little like Susubanda, the new TV. Now, if you want to do this back at the side like this, look, I'm going to show you guys. If you want to press this, and there you go. If you want to just press down, there you go. As you can see, Fortnite has a great thing of 20 hours. As you can see, Smiley, I'm going to show this video of, this is me from 19. Look. Let's see if we can watch the vlog. See? It's me here. I play Smite game. I had to connect my controller because I'm... And look at you guys. There's more thing come from. It's taking a lot of effort for doing all those things. I read a lot of times about 24 hours. And I log in and I have to wait, guys. In the storybook, I'm always almost read like 24 minutes or something. I went completely thing. After that, my controller don't work, and I had to connect again to my controller. This is my thing. They have no batteries or something. See? And Mom and Justin and this is working. Look, see guys? Let's watch it until we do this. And again, my controller doing it because I'm wasting all the time. I had to get flooding and I almost get started.
Welcome to the arena. In this map, 2 teams face off from basic play. In this tutorial, you will control me, the Egyptian leader of fate. Let's begin by practicing navigation. Journey outside of your base to continue. Fantastic. You should now return to the middle of the arena, where your minions are already clashing with the enemy. Each time you slay an enemy or destroy an objective, you gain experience or XP. Gain enough XP and you will level up, allowing you to unlock abilities. Unlock Spirit Element. Use its first ability.
He gave me 1 ticket for that, guys. If you want to skip, just skip this. If you want to go back to this. And now let's get to the beginning.
Spirit is a line that can strike multiple enemies within its highlighted area. Use the target to help directly when casting your ability. With the target visible, press the button to fire. Will be trained automatically for you after this tutorial. Congratulations, you are now level 5 and have access to your ultimate ability, which is very important for team fighting. As move, keep your distance and try to aim each basic attack to ensure maximum damage. Use your spirit armor or World Reaver ultimate to snipe low health enemies prior to retreat. Now, try to defeat several enemy guards.
And I died too many times, guys. Because I always keep losing sometimes. I have to respond at the most minutes. Yeah guys, this is taking forever, so you'll watch any minute now for that.
Well done. It's time to fight back. Time to push your minions into the enemy force. The extra points earned will also call your victory.
Because
You learned the basic rules of Arena, so let's finish this match. Reduce the enemy team's tickets to 0 to win.
and I
Congratulations, you have won your first game.
yep, because I beat that first one. I guess teamwork is better, but I love teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Oh, it stopped. That's why it stopped, because we were already done. Well, good news. It's really great to see you guys in the video. Oh, and one more thing. As you can see, we already got this controller again. If you plug this, boom, this controller. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this new controller. Hope you subscribe, like, and hit the bell on the video. Bye guys.